Alright, I'm recording right on. What's up, yo? By the way, I'm gonna talk about here about what a bunch of Bitcoin futures contracts ending this Friday means, billions of dollars worth. But before I do, at the risk of sounding like a cringy YouTuber, I'd like to ask if you guys can please like, comment, subscribe, and share. It really helps with the channel. It's crazy how much we've been growing. We're almost at 200 subs, y'all. That's crazy. We've been at this like a few weeks. So with all that being said, let's talk about what's some factors here in the news with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's been at a very uncertain price. Okay, it's been very volatile as of late. I personally think it's in store for some further downturn. So one of the things that people are kind of worried about right now is the fact that a bunch of future contracts for Bitcoin are about to expire, billions of dollars worth. Now, my brain hurt trying to understand how all these contracts work. But basically, the gist is there's some whales that they're buying and selling these contracts, and when these contracts expire, a bunch of supply is going to be added to the market, and it's unsure whether it's going to be bought up or not. Basically, it just brings volatility, guys. From what I can gather, I've seen a few videos talking about this, and I've read a few articles. And my impression, it's not financial advice, guys. But my impression is that it might not have a super impactful impact on what Bitcoin does. So, as we can see here in this article from Cointelegraph, we can see that in the past, when a futures contract expires, there was a very it didn't really make a difference. Like it didn't bring the price down except here in June. So guys, if anything, I think one thing to consider with all these future contracts ending in Friday is just perhaps we should expect some volatility. Now, judging by this here, it's I don't think it's a major catalyst, but perhaps it could be. Guys, so just basically just the gist of this video is me saying, after taking an hour or two to look into this, reading a few articles, watching a few videos, from what I can gather, it doesn't seem like future contracts expiring at the end of the month tend to have a major impact on the price of Bitcoin. Now, do I know that for sure? Definitely not. But I just wanted to give my impression because there was a commenter who commented on one of my last videos asking about that. So here we go. Here you go. This is my answer. I don't think it will have a large impact, but hey, could be wrong. I don't really know. We'll see. Yeah, guys. So let's take a look here at the current price of Bitcoin and see if we can gain any more insights. So, ooh, interesting. Okay. So, with the stock market doing shit today, I think that served as a catalyst for Bitcoin's price to drop. And now we're currently retesting previous support / resistance. Right here is a pretty significant price level. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, we're so close. See, this is what I mean, guys. Like we're just about at that price retesting. I actually might enter a short here, although I'm very uncertain of shorting the market right now for a few reasons. All those future billions of dollars worth of future contracts expiring this Friday, that adds some uncertainty because, I mean, the reason why that's uncertain is because it could potentially add a bunch of supply into the market, but there's people on both sides of those future contracts that have financial interest in it going up and down. So in my mind, any kind of attempt to artificially pump or dump the price of Bitcoin is happening on both sides, for the up and the downward direction. So I don't know, guys. Who knows who will win out on that? If anything, we might expect some kind of volatility and then consolidation. But another thing I think is going to be a major catalyst for the cryptocurrency markets is another stimulus check. Now, I think I'm gonna make another video talking about that. So I'll wrap this one up there, guys. Basically just I don't know what's gonna happen, but judging from these charts, it doesn't really seem to drop the price a whole lot. Although, in my opinion, I think Bitcoin is currently in a downtrend. So who knows, guys? We'll see if it's a factor. I'll make another video on Friday, talking about what I saw, how the markets reacted, and then maybe from there going forward, that could be a helpful thing to understand what those futures expiring kind of do. Okay, guys. So that's it for now. Take care.